let's put on shoes. Me and you, grab our hats and pack some snacks. Time for fun, no turning back. Let's go to the park today. Run and laugh and shout hooray. Slide and swing and climb so high. Wave hello to butterflies. The ducks are splashing in the pond. We throw them crumbs, they quack along. We ride our bikes and race around. Our feet go flying off the ground. March like soldiers, 1, 2, 3. Hop like bunnies, one big leap. Tiptoe, tiptoe, quiet as a breeze. Now spin around and touch your knees. Let's go to the park today. Run and laugh and shout hooray. Slide and swing and climb so high. Wave hello to butterflies. We build a castle in the sand with towers tall and flags so grand. Then chase the bubbles in the air. They float and pop, they're everywhere. Stomp like dinosaurs, big and slow. Zoom like rockets, ready, go. Pretend to fly like buzzing bees, buzzing all around the trees. Let's go to the park today. Run and laugh and shout hooray. Play with friends and sing all day. In the park we laugh and play. The sun goes down, it's time to go. We wave goodbye and walk home slow, but we'll be